Painted rocks. Start small and simple with painted rocks. Visit a nearby park or your garden to collect smooth stones. Pick up some acrylic paints in your favorite colors and let your imagination go wild. You can create patterns, pictures, or inspirational words on them. Use these as paperweights, garden markers, or decorative pieces. DIY paper flowers. All you need is colored paper, scissors, and glue to create beautiful paper flowers. Cut different shapes to mimic petals and layer them around a central point to make a blossom. Arrange these flowers in a vase for a vibrant display. Candle making. This is a soothing and rewarding craft perfect for beginners. Get a candle making kit from your local craft store. You'll need wax, wicks, and molds. Add scents and colors of your choice. It's a hands-on process that results in lovely custom candles for your home. Beaded jewelry. Dive into jewelry making by creating bracelets or necklaces using beads and charms that appeal to your personal style. All you need is stretchy cord, some bead sets, and crimp beads to start. Photo coasters. Personalize your home with DIY photo coasters. Use tiles purchased from a home improvement store and apply Mod Podge to adhere your favorite photos to them. Nature-inspired wall art. Collect leaves, twigs, and flowers from your environment to craft nature-themed art. Press and dry your finds, then arrange them creatively to frame. Simple embroidery. Embroidery may seem complex, but start with basic stitches like the running stitch or cross stitch.